This is Francisco, and
This is Barok.
we're going to be talking about the Tenerife airport disaster. The Tenerife airport disaster, also known as the Tenerife airport collision, occurred on March 27, 1977 at Los Rodeos Airport, not Tenerife North Airport, in the Canary Islands, Spain. It remained the deadliest aviation accident in history, claiming the lives of 583 people. The primary cause of the disaster was a miscommunication and subsequent misunderstanding between the air traffic controls, and the flight crew involved. Here are some of the key features that led to the collision. 1. Foggy weather conditions. Heavy fog had inflated the airport, significantly reducing visibility and making it difficult for pilots to see and navigate the runway. 2. Congested airport. Due to the bombing explosion at Guadalcanal Airport, many flights were diverted to Los Rodeos Airport, including 2 large Boeing 747 aircrafts, KLM Flight 4805 and Pan AM Flight 1736. 3. Miscommunications. The air traffic controls at Los Rodeos Airport faced a high workload due to the increased traffic and limited airport functionalities. They instructed the KLM flight to taxi down the runway for takeoff, while the Pan AM flight was still in the same runway. To exit through instructed further down. However, the physiologics used by the air traffic control was unclear, and the results in a misunderstanding. 4. Lack of awareness. The KLM flight crew, upon receiving clearance to take off, started to take off, rolling without realizing that Pan AM flight was still on the runway. The Pan AM crew, meanwhile, was in the process of preparing to exit the runway, but has not yet done so.
The collision occurred when the KLM aircraft accelerating for takeoff collided with the Pan AM aircraft, which was still on the runway. The impact resulted in a fireball and the destruction of both planes, causing the loss of all passengers and crew on board. Following Tenerife airport disaster, significant improvements were made in aviation safety to prevent similar accidents in the future. These include 1. Standardizing phraseology. International activation organizations such as the International Civil Aviation Organization (ICAO) developed and implemented stabilized phraseology for air traffic control communications. This helped improve clarity and reduce the chances of miscommunication between controllers and flight crew. 2. Flight crew resource management, CRM. CRM training was introduced to enhance communication and coordination within the cockpit. This training emphasized teamwork, effective decision-making, and the importance of challenging authority if safety concerns arises. 3. Improve runway safety producers. Airport worldwide implemented enhanced runway safety producers, including strict adherence to runway incursion prevention protocols and the installation of ground surveillance radar systems to monitor aircraft movement on runways. 4. enhanced training and situational awareness. Pilots and air traffic controllers received important training on situational awareness, including the importance of verifying runway clearance and being vigilant in fog conditions. These measures, among others, have significantly contributed to safer air travel and have helped prevent similar incidents since the Tenerife airport disaster.